Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Corolla front light. First, ensure your car is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Gather your tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new headlight bulb. Open the hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly, usually near the front of the engine bay. Now let's get to the old bulb. Gently disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb by squeezing or pulling. Next, you'll need to remove any retaining clips, springs, or dust covers that hold the bulb in place. Once these are out of the way, carefully pull the old headlight bulb straight out from its socket. Avoid twisting it too much. With the old bulb removed, it's time for the new one. Handle the new bulb by its base, avoiding touching the glass part, as oils from your skin can reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Reattach any retaining clips, springs, or dust covers you removed earlier, then firmly reconnect the electrical connector. Once the new bulb is in place, turn on your car and test both the low and high beams to confirm they are working correctly. It's often a good idea to replace both headlights at the same time, even if only one is out, to ensure consistent brightness and avoid another replacement soon. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener. Check the description below for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.